everyone, I'm Marina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I have another big box from Avon, and therefore it is another Avon haul. So if you are new here, I do these hauls roughly once a month, and I've also just recently done a wins and fails of all of my hauls. So yeah, I will leave the playlist for all of that down below, along with my affiliate link for Avon. But what I wanted to say about the wins and fails, that is a really good video to check out, because I do give a little bit of a review of the items that I've tried, and I did have some fails last time, but I did have a lot of wins as well. There are some things in here that may pop up in empties, but there are other things that won't, or if they will, not anytime soon. Like for example, makeup takes me quite a while to finish. Perfumes, they take me quite a while to finish. What else? If it's anything like clothes or anything like that, that's obviously not going to come up in any empties or any other videos of mine for that matter. So the wins and fails, it's a really good one to see what I thought of the items, which items stood out, either for good reasons or bad reasons. So that being said, make sure you check those videos out and subscribe so you know when I upload my next haul, if you are here solely for the hauls, and you also know when I upload my wins and fails. But if you like my other videos as well, then that's even better. That's even more reason to subscribe. And yeah, as usual, give this video a thumbs up, it really helps me out. And okay, this is November's haul. I know it's December now when you see this. It arrived late November. I waited quite a while to place my order this month, because I wanted something that didn't come in stock until the end of the month. So because it's December, I've got my festive mug. Well, it's December for you, not for me right now. But I got my festive mug. I got my nice little tea. I got this mug from Lidl, by the way, just in case you're wondering. And they do Sprouts one, and there's one with a little Santi one as well. So I love these mugs. Anyway, let's get into the haul. And because you're seeing this in December, there are some things that may not be available when you're seeing this, and some things that were a preview and I already have. Right, so let me show you the first thing that I got, and it was the reason that I placed my order very late in the month. And these are more of these Avon socks, the bare ones. When I got mine, they were in stock obviously, but they ran out of stock very quickly, so it took a while for them to get new stock of these. And I wanted another pair for my fiance because he saw mine and he really likes them. So yeah, so he can have his own little pair of snuggly bear socks. So that's them. Okay, and then of course I have hand wash. I got the gingerbread one. I heard some people saying that the gingerbread one smells like curry on their hands after they use it. I hope this doesn't happen with us. I love a good curry, but maybe not on my hands. I can see how they would... I can smell the gingerbread, but maybe it's because of the ginger, that's why they... yeah. But I can see where they're coming from. But yeah, it's just seasonal. It's nice to have like a seasonal hand wash. We really enjoy that. And then I also got this one, the Lily of the Valley and Apple, which is kind of like our favorite one. Okay, then I have a roll-on, which is for my fiance. It's just a full speed one. Then also for my fiance, if you've seen my wins and fails, you would have seen that I've said I need to get him another one of these, which is the Deep Power Shampoo, Conditioner and Body Wash for men. The scent of this is really nice and he's really enjoying this product, so yeah, got him another one. And also for my fiance, he's not done. Finally, Avon are doing eau de toilette for men in 30ml sizes. So I got him Avon Lock. They only do 2 cents a minute, which is Avon Lock and for him, and Avon Attraction for him. He's not really keen on Avon Attraction, but he really likes Avon Lock. And he said to me a couple of years ago that he really enjoys Avon fragrances, but if only they did smaller bottles, then he would buy more. But because they all used to come in 75 ml sizes only, it takes him quite a while to go through one bottle, and he doesn't like having tons open at the same time. So yeah, that's Avon Luck in a 30 ml, and I'm going to put this away for his Christmas box. Then I took advantage of some Black Friday offers. They had offers on for the whole week, well, for the whole month actually, November, but mostly the whole week before Black Friday. So I've got some more of these scented sachets for the wardrobe. I have, this one is lavender. I think I've got pretty much one of each. This one is fresh cotton, jasmine, and then I think they sent me an extra one by mistake. But yeah, I think I have two jasmine by mistake, but I only ordered 3. So, you know. And they also had these festive hand creams on offer for Black Friday. They were 4 for £5. They're usually £2 each. So I got 4 of them to put in for teachers' gifts. I do like giving the teachers a little something at Christmas. Yeah, I don't go crazy on what they get, but a little something is nice. I don't know, I think so. Anyway, so yeah, I've got 4 of these hand creams. They're gonna go in the gifts. These are restoring moisture with coconut oil, by the way. Then I got a couple of sets to give, kind of like house gifts for people. Because we've tried this and I know that the scents are really, really lovely. We've got a set of the lavender and ginger hand wash and hand lotion. And these came with a bag as well, with a gift bag, which is really nice. I really like the handles on this bag. And then a set of the bergamot and green tea, again hand wash and hand lotion. And this also came with a gift bag. I got a bunch of samples of the, what are you, Avon Full Speed Surfer. That's like a men's perfume from Avon for free. Got like a freebie here in my order. And then the rest of my items are new in December. And we have another pair of socks. These are cat socks. Oh, my little pom-poms. How cute. So there we are. That's the socks. They're super cute. And I almost didn't order this one, but my fiance convinced me to get it. And this is the cat pajamas. So the reason I almost didn't get this is because I'm quite fussy with pajamas. Unless it's summer, I would like the tops of my pajamas to be long sleeved and then the trousers of my pajamas to be either cuffed or legging style. I don't like being cold at all. I am that person that gets dressed to go to bed. I honestly do not like being cold at all. The slightest, if I feel the slightest bit of cold, I just can't sleep or I wake up in the night. And the thing is, with these pajamas, the top is short sleeved. Oh, it's super cute. Yeah, so you can see it, how cute it is. But my fiance said, what you can do is get a plain long sleeve top and just wear it underneath. You probably have to maybe see if they have any primer, because they usually have like good basics in there, or anything like that. And I think that will work, because I usually have something under my tops to keep my the small of my back warm anyway. Like I said, I'm that person who gets dressed to go to bed. And then the best bit about this is the trousers. They're legging style. Look at this design. I adore these little pussycats. So awesome. Yeah. So that's the pajamas. And then the rest of things in here are makeup, which I already had a look at because I couldn't help myself. I really wanted to have a feel of them and swatch and all the things like that. So first we have the Lip Paint Hydrating Matte liquid lipstick. And this one is in shade Velvet Hibiscus. And I had a little go of this. I used it on my lips and it feels quite hydrating. It does dry down a tiny bit like a liquid lipstick, but it's not drying on the lips, if you know what I mean. So I think these ones will be much better for me than the Power Stay ones, because the Power Stay ones, they dry my lips a lot. They do stay on for a very long time, but because I already suffer with dry lips, it's not comfortable for me at all. This one, I don't expect it to last near as long as the Power Stay one, but I think it will be much more comfortable for me to wear day to day. And this color is so pretty. That's Velvet Hibiscus. So as usual, I want to do a video on the new releases, on the new makeup releases from Avon, so stay tuned for that. Then I have from the Glimmering Gems collection, we have the Glimmer Stick Gems eyeliner, and I've chosen one in Deep Garnet. They've got 3 that are metallic, I think, and 2 that are matte, or the other way around. I'm not quite sure, that's not right now. So yeah, that's Deep Garnet. This one is one of the matte ones, and this is kind of like a deep burgundy. And then last thing, I have the new eyeshadow palette, the Glimmering Gems eyeshadow palette, and I've already swatched this because I couldn't help myself, but I can't wait to play around with this. I can't wait to do my video and give you all of my thoughts on it. So that's it there. Okay, so there's my Avon haul for November, coming to you in December. If you're not subscribed already, I hope you will subscribe, especially to see trying the new makeup and seeing what I think of it and doing looks and everything like that. Hopefully it will give you some inspiration if you are thinking of picking any of this up. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, it really helps me out when you thumbs up my videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.